What does God look like?
I asked him, "What do you see when you look in the mirror?" Jimmy said something that rocked my world.
I was made in God's image. So therefore, I must look like God.
I'm going to show you a painting, or rather, a photograph of a painting. Just take a moment and stare at it.
We need to transform the way we do almost everything.
You sure about that?
What is it about Bill Gates? What is it about Bill Gates that is so special? Can anyone tell me? How does a man like this, with billions and billions and billions of dollars, get to say, I want to block out the sun?
Gates is backing the first high-altitude experiment of one radical climate change solution, creating a massive chemical cloud that could cool the Earth. It's called solar geoengineering, and it's highly controversial. It would look something like this. Thousands of planes would fly very high and use nozzles to inject millions of tons of light-reflecting particles into the stratosphere. It would create a thin chemical cloud of those particles around the whole planet, blocking some sunlight from reaching the surface. It would mimic a giant volcanic eruption, which we know cools the Earth.
And you're allowing Bill Gates to say it, and people still put this man on a platform. He's playing God.
How on earth can a holy and righteous God know what I did and thought and said on yesterday and not kill me in my sleep last night?
Who said that?
No! That damn Sasquatch.